Welcome to Car Zone, where every turn of the wheel spins your fate. From wild moves to instant karma crashes, you're about to see it all. Going viral for road rage? Trust me, no one wants that. Hey buddy, that green light meant go straight, not randomly cut me off. Where are you rushing to, buddy? You were this close to getting the full disaster combo meal.
What did you say?
Lesson of the day: never challenge the dance of the tires when the road is crowded. Who turns right in the straight lane anyway?
What the?
These two racers must be trying to test the driver's nerves of steel. The road is narrow, but this truck driver really wants the spotlight. Ah, the I hate waiting for red lights club. They decided to go together for fun.
Oh!
An unfair matchup, and of course the winner wasn't the smaller one. An epic fail maneuver that made the whole street hold its breath. This is what happens when you try to hug the whole road but forget other people are on it. The Domino Effect, Highway Edition. When you want to turn but forget to signal and check your mirrors. An unexpected drift on the road of death.
Holy.
The result of the saying, a moment of haste can lead to a lifetime of regret. An involuntary waltz on the street side ice rink. Does being a big bus give you the right of way at a red light?
Here's the thing, more people...
Award to Elton John. Celebrate all of the incredible artists in music. Holy in a year. Thursday, May 20th.
A spectacular flip that no one wants to try a second time.
Taco Bell favorites like the chalupa.
Keeping a distance is an important lesson, you know. A wild horse that can't be tamed, completely ignoring the red light. When you're a little too confident in your weaving skills. Maybe the driver just wanted to feel what it's like to lean a little. In your opinion, who is at fault in this situation? Please leave a comment so everyone knows.
Bitch! What the f? Oh my god.
Someone has taken the traffic light away, right? There is no other way but to kiss each other. Everyone wants to go first, and the result is nobody goes anywhere. Sometimes, hesitating too much is not good.
I am. I don't know about everybody else.
The passionate love triangle at midnight. Riding a motorcycle on the highway is already dangerous, but with a clueless driver nearby, it's a ticket to heaven. Driving in a roundabout as if it were a straight road. Traffic jams are not a problem for his car.
Wow.
The moment between day and night is also when clumsy driving takes the stage. Rainy weather, slippery roads, limited visibility. Yet some people still love to, quote, take risks.
1 second of losing control could lead to a lifetime of regret. You may be right, you may be wrong, but if you lose your temper, both sides lose. Remember, on the road, ego is never worth more than a life. Thank you for staying with us till the end. If this story made you think, feel free to leave a comment or share it with others. Subscribe to the channels for more true stories and the life-changing lessons. Stay safe on the road and see you in the next video.